wall hangers. They've all failed until I found these little gems. They take seconds to install, and once in place, this is never gonna happen to you again. Let's get started. There's a whole bunch of different places you can buy this. Amazon has very reasonable prices, and I'll post one that has several sizes. Depending on what your situation is, it's always good to have multiple lengths. This one I've used in all sorts of drywall, not had a problem. Check out the one below, under $10 for 200 or more of it. Well worth it. Come in two pieces, the anchor and the screw. I've got a piece of scrap wood, so I'm not gonna drive this through onto my mat. You can hold it with your fingers and you're probably fine, but I've learned over the years that I don't like hitting my fingers or my hand, so I'm just gonna at least start it out with a pair of pliers. And once it's in place, just drive it home like that. And that's what it looks like before it expands. Put the screw in and send it home. It's great for anything you want to mount on the wall. You can use it as a picture hanger, and that's perfect right there. And this is what it looks like on the other side. Kind of butterflies or expands out, and that anchor is rock solid. And you can take it all the way down, almost flat, and that just makes it wider and stronger. Say you want to remove it, you're doing some rework in your house. Here's the magic, look at that. Folds back up again. All you need is a pair of pliers and pull, and that's the only hole it makes. That's so much easier and so much better than the big holes with any other kind of anchor. And then if you want to put it back in again, goes right back in like that. Crank it in place. And it's just as strong as the first time you put it in. I already have one in place. Use my pliers, vertical, because I got some wires here that I'm worried about. So tap it in all the way. Since this curtain holder has a big gap, I decided to put a washer in place on both of these screws, prevent it from falling out. And a great thing about these anchors, it's real easy to take the screw out and make that kind of adjustment. Washers on the screws, hand tighten them. Try to do that with another wall mount. You could use a drill with a screw bit on there, but especially if you're using the existing hardware, it's probably just as good to use a regular screwdriver. Those washers make a big difference. Flush screws up against the two pieces of metal and sealing that anchor. This isn't going anywhere. I used silver washers, and if you don't like that, just take a marker or a dab of paint and color it in. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what problem-solving solution you're gonna see.